Hi there, I'm Lucy from BookWidgets, and in this EdTech School episode I'm going to show you how you can create amazing language lessons right inside Google Classroom. Let's dive in right away. All the examples I'm about to show are made with BookWidgets that integrates in Google Classroom. If you want to make them in Google Classroom, you have to make sure to install the BookWidgets Chrome plugin before you get started. I'll share some useful links in the description below. The first example is a visual quiz that gets automatically graded. As a language teacher, you give a lot of Google Classroom assignments, and these can be quizzes and worksheets. BookWidgets has lots of questions that get automatically graded and that are visually much more appealing than to just use a standard paper worksheet. Check out this quiz made with 100% automatically graded questions. BookWidgets quizzes have lots of extra options that are perfect for teaching languages. Add audio and video for listening exercises and text and images for reading. The second lesson example is made with a split whiteboard and can serve for fun reading comprehension exercises. This widget is just perfect for listening and reading exercises. Included text students have to read on the one side and let them draw things on the other side. You can even include audio fragments, video and images inside your text and add a background image on your whiteboard like in the example. Create crossword puzzles to teach vocabulary in Google Classroom. Crossword puzzles are kind of made for language teachers. They have many possibilities as languages have so many words to learn. Most of the time, a crossword puzzle is used as a classical translation exercise, but there are so many other possibilities. Every foreign language has idioms, synonyms, antonyms, proverbs, vocabulary, descriptions, or meanings, and so on. Create flashcards to practice pronunciation. Flashcards can be used for many purposes. Mostly they are used to study and practice vocabulary and definitions, but there are a few other things you can do with them as well. Since you can add audio to your flashcards in BookWidgets, you can use them to practice pronunciation. And here's an extra tip. Use flashcards as a listening exercise. Just add audio to your card and write down a question about the audio fragment students have to answer. You can give your students the answer to the question on the back of the card. Create random wheels to engage speaking and writing. The randomness widget can have many purposes. You'll see that the example focuses on speaking or writing, but it can also be used for practicing grammar structures and vocabulary. Students have to spin the wheels and write a story about the images that will pop up. For a speaking exercise, you just let them tell you the story. Let students spot the differences between languages. Use this widget when students are learning more than two languages. You would want them to distinguish vocabulary from both languages. They will see the differences, but also the similarities between the languages. If you want them to translate words from their mother tongue into a foreign language, this exercise is suited as well. The exercise is a perfect example when combining visuals with text because it's one of the most common effective learning strategies. So that's it. I hope these language lesson examples gave you some new ideas. If so, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.